to continue here working. Today we are going to work on page 103 to 106. Okay, 103, 104, 5, and 6. This is the page 103. Okay, so we're going to start to work on. Okay, it's very important. It's very important. Es muy importante que se fijen en la palabra y se fijen en los dibujos. Okay? It's very, very important. Okay, so we're going to start here. Blend the letter sound together as you say each word. Then color the picture its name. Okay, so for example, here you have to colorear. Okay, you have to color the picture that corresponds to the word. Okay, in here we have letter U, letter A, letter I. So because are the vowels that we have been looking for. Son las vocales que hemos estado viendo estas últimas semanas. Okay, so book. Okay, what of this is the book? So, okay, this is the book. And then I have to color. Okay, so the number 2. Can. 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 Where is the can? Is this the can? Is this the can? Or is this? Of course, it's this. Very good. So let's continue. I'm going to do the number 3, and then you are going to do it 4, 5, and 6. You are going to do it by yourself. Okay? Pin. Pin. So is this the pin? No. Is this the pin? No. This is the pin, and then you have to color. Okay, color the pin. Okay, the picture that corresponds to the word. So the number 4, number 5, number 6, you are going to do it by yourself. Okay, so you have to identify what of this is the 2. So remember this. So what of this is the picture that corresponds to the word. Okay, so now we are going to go to page 104, the next one. Okay, in here is very easy. Blend the letter sound together as you say each word. Print the word on the line. Draw a line to the picture, its name. Okay, for example, here bat, you have the word bat, bat. So is, as you can see here, is the line corresponding to the picture. Then you will have to write the word, okay, bat. Okay, bat. I'm going to write a little line there. Okay, so then now we have the number 2, 6. What's the 6? What picture correspond to this word? Of course, number 6. Okay, number 6. Then what you have to do here, you have to write down. Okay, 6. Very good. So let's continue. Then we have the number 3 here. Rook. So what is the rook here? We have a pan, we have a cube, we have a pig. So that means the rook, alfombra, is this one. Okay, so it's very, very important you see the pictures. Okay, muy importante que observen las imágenes de las primeras páginas, porque ese mismo vocabulario lo encontrarán en los siguientes ejercicios. As you see the pictures at the beginning, it's going to be easy for you to identify the other words. Okay, si observamos los dibujos del primer ejercicio, vamos a ir encontrando ese vocabulario de esos ejercicios en las siguientes páginas. Eso se les va a hacer más fácil. Okay, so it's very important. So now let's continue working here. The number 3, only we are going to write rook. Okay, rook. Practice. is at home, the pronunciation, okay? That six rook. Okay, let's continue with the next page. We are on page 105. Okay, page 105. So here says instructions. Set the name of each picture, print the letter for its beginning and ending sound. So what we have to do here, tenemos que encontrar el sonido, tenemos que decir el nombre de cada uno de estos imágenes y identificar cuál es el sonido inicial y el sonido final. And only we have to write down. Okay? For example, sun. Sun. What is that? That's okay, the letter S. Now listen, sun. The letter N. So as you remember this picture you found in some pages before. ¿Sí? Esta imagen y este nombre se la encontraron en las primeras páginas. Entonces va a ser fácil identificar. As you can see this one. Okay, I'm going to say the name of this and you are going to identify, okay? Goom. Goom. G. G. Okay, the initial sound is the letter G, okay? Remember, I told you, ya les había explicado los sonidos cuando está al inicio y el sonido cuando está al final de la letra G. Okay, goom. Goom. Letter M. Okay, so listen now. The number 4. Boo. Boo. Okay, what sound it has? B, B, the letter B at the end. Boo. Okay, so now I'm going to say, okay, I'm going to do the number 5 and then from the 6 to 16 you are going to do it by yourself. Okay, so hoot, hoot, hoot. Okay, we have the letter H and the letter T. Hoot, hoot, hoot. Okay, now I'm going to say the name of this one, and you are going to identify. Okay. Okay. Boos, boos, roog, roog, hoog, hoog, tube, 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 cube, cube, cube. This is a cube, tube, cube. This one is boer, 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 boer. Room, room, room. Coot, coot, coot. Newt, newt, newt. Okay, in here, as you can see, you don't have a picture here. Why? Because you have to write one picture, one image. Tienen que dibujar una imagen that has the chosen view. Okay? Que su nombre sea con el sonido corto de la U. Okay? So that's it. We are going to work in the next page, in the last one. Okay? What do you have to do here? This is a very easy exercise. Okay, in here you have 3 options. Okay, as you can see here, I know it's a little difficult to see it. Okay, but you have to identify what is the correct one. Okay, and here we have goose sits on the roof. Okay, sorry, roof, roof, or jug. What would be the correct one? Of course, you are going to circle roof, okay? Roof, and you are going to finish the sentence. Roof and alfombra. Yes, goose sits, sentarse, on the roof. Okay, he plays with his pup up cup. What would be the correct one? Okay, when a dog is a little one or baby, in English we say pup. cachorro. Okay, poop. With his poop. Okay, so letter U. And we are going to circle poop. Okay, so the number 3. I'm going to help you with the number 3. Soon Goose sees the De pronto Goose mira el what? Goose. Okay, excellent. Goose. And then we are going to write here goose. Goose. That's right. Okay, guys. So that's everything. You are going to work with the next 3 exercises. Only you have to identify what is the word that completes the sentence. Okay, that's very easy, and